The South West Coast Path Association has been running the Coast Path Connectors project with 2 years funding from their National Lottery Heritage Fund. We have developed a programme of social walking groups which has encouraged and enabled local communities to access a beautiful coastal environment, promoting health and wellbeing and connections to nature. It focuses on 5 locations across the South West Coast Path: Cornwall, Torbay, Plymouth, Dorset and North Devon. Going forward, the charity will be continuing its important role of encouraging more people to experience the benefits of walking the South West Coast Path.
Hi, I'm Gemma and I'm the Coast Path Connector Project Officer for the Plymouth Hub. So today we are just outside of Plymouth and we have walked from the coastal village of Wembury along the path to Haybrook Bay.
So my name's Jay, I work at the University of Plymouth and I'm a mental health advisor. We've introduced the walking group since the start of the academic year in September, and we've had some really good positive feedback from students, and yeah, it's just a great opportunity for students to get out and explore the area. Personally, what we really wanted to achieve was to ensure that students felt connected, if that's with other students, for example, or part with the nature, with the coast, getting out in regards to exercise, and yeah, just in general for their well-being. So to be honest, it ticks all those boxes, so I think it naturally supports their mental health and well-being.
There's always birds flying or kind of in the vegetation, and then this time of year when all the invertebrates are out and the seabirds are out, it's just such a fantastic way to feel part of the kind of landscape and close to nature.